Good day everyone, I am Echel Alberto and today I am going to show you on how to create a survey form using a Google Classroom. But before that, let's describe what is survey form. So when we say survey form, it is a structured set of questions designed to collect specific information, opinions, and feedback. So survey form uses by the researchers, businesses, and organizations. So survey form can contributed online like via email or in personal. So now let's start. So the first thing to do is to open your Google or your Chrome. So after that, it's na yung lalabas. So may nakita ko ditong 9 dots sa gilid. Ito, then click this one. Tas, ito na yung lalabas. So hanapin lang natin yung forms. So ito siya, color violet. Then click this one. Okay. So after this, you can choose your template. So for me, I choose this blank form. Then after that, you can choose or you can write your questions here. And then if you want to change the color of the theme, just click this one. Again, this one. Then scroll down. Then you can choose any color. So I choose this one. Yes, this one. Okay. So let's try the first question. So then you can choose a type of responses. It's either multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, or anything. So I choose this one, check boxes. Then write your choices. It's either yes or no. Then after, if you want to add a questions, just click this one, the sign plus. And then if you want to add a pictures or video, just click this one. So, okay. Another question na naman. Hanggang sa matapos yung question. Kung ilan yung question mo. So I create only 5 questions in this survey form. So as you can see, ito lang yung questions. It's only 5 questions. And by the way, if you want to copy or duplicate the same questions, you can click this one, duplicate questions, and also dapat naka-required responses or answers. Okay, that's it. Then if you want to share this survey form to your classmates or responses, just click the link. Just copy this link. So and then that's it. And by the way, you can also write the title of your survey form. So my title is experience with survey form. So this will be my title. Okay, then if you don't kung wala ka na idadagdag na questions or i-edit na mga words, review your questions also. Then after that, you can now publish. Just click this one, publish. So since this Google form is already published, so pwede na siyang gamitin. Just click this preview, this one. So ito na yung lalabas na link. So as you can see, it's already published. Then it indicates required questions. Just click this. The responses need a email to answer this. Then after that, after answering the questions, the responses can submit this. Just click this one, submit. And that's it.